This is a 2025 Denago Nomad. They made a few changes to it versus the 24 model, and some of the changes are also on the Rover model. If you notice, they have done away with the tow switch. It used to be a toggle switch right there. They have done away with that on both of these models. So now if you need to roll the unit, if there's a problem and you're trying to release the electric brake, you loosen this knob. So turn it counterclockwise, loosen it all the way up. Note to where it is set from the factory though. So you make sure you reposition it to the same setting once you're done with this. But if you need to roll this unit, turn it on with your key, which is also new now. They use a key card on the Nomad versus the standard key. So power it on, loosen this knob all the way up, and then you'll eventually see that the electric brake releases and you can actually roll it around. If there's a problem with it, if you're trying to tow it or push it or load it on a trailer, if it's not running, that sort of thing, that's where it is located. And I guess they're trying to save money versus the electric toggle switch, which I thought was much easier to deal with. But they have done a few things to these models to try and save money because of taxation that's about to come from imported vehicles like this. Anyway, if you're on the north side of Atlanta, look up Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We're a Denago, Star, and Club Car dealer. So check us out. Right off of 575 on Highway 92, 1 mile east of Main Street in Woodstock, Georgia. So look for the links in the description. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.